like magic. All right, so I got the subs in and I'm just changing the dust cap from the factory white to this nice blue chrome, which you can get those on the DC Audio website. And I got the blue to match all my wiring and whatnot. And very easy to take that off. I learned that brake cleaner takes that paint right off. You don't want to let it sit on there, so just spray some on a rag, wipe it off, and dry it really quick, and you're good to go. I'll go ahead and do that so you can see what the result is. Okay, so I sprayed some brake cleaner on here already. Gotta admit, it takes some guts to do that the first time. Look at that. Oh, there's a little bit of residue. It's like magic. You could actually leave it like that, which would be pretty cool, because then people would be like, what subs you running? And just leave them guessing. But that's it. That's how easy it is. And then got the stickers here. Peel it off. Good to go. And there you go. To DC Audio. Level 5 M5. Sweet.